Hello YouTube. So today I thought that I would go through some Easter stuff with you. I'm going to be going through my basket and putting Easter things in this glass container, if it all fits, to keep it safe so I can eat it later, because literally I tried to eat everything yesterday and it didn't turn out so well. So I ate I think more chocolate than I've ever eaten at Halloween this Easter. So it's been fun. I thought I was gonna die last night, but that's fine. So I can actually eat more chocolate. So this is my little Ducky basket. So cute. What a cute little duck. And I got in an argument the other day, or yesterday, about whether this was a duck or a chicken. And clearly you can see duck bill, like chickens, like this is a duck, okay? Little ducky feet. Like chickens do not have webbed feet. And little ducky tail. This is not a chicken, it is a duck. Sorry, Ducky. Just wanted to get that out of the way. Alright, so first of all, in here is this cool, let's see if I can handle that. This cool grass, if you will. And I was taking it out today, and then I thought, this sounds kind of cool. Like a nice, just a nice sound to it. This fake grass. It smells like a shoebox. Like a new shoebox. So nothing, I walked around all day talking kind of quietly to myself because I was watching Gentle Whispering, like Maria. I don't know, if you guys are ASMR enthusiasts, I think you definitely would have seen her. She's amazing. I think she's one of my favorite. Well, they're all amazing really, but I just think she's one of the first ones I found out about, so I just really like her. And anyway, so I was watching her videos all day when I was studying, and so then afterwards I was sort of talking to myself in this really calm voice, and I think I was trying to have a Russian accent. And I was I said, so, we go and we do the laundry. I don't know, I'm weird, I guess. But I was just sort of in a really relaxing state by her, as always. She always calms me down, so if I'm stressed, I like to listen to her. So I'm gonna set this grass aside. Pull out some more grass. It's never ending. Okay. So, first in my little Ducky, I have, and pretty much all my chocolate is dark chocolate, so, because they're just high quality, So first up I have these coconut eggs. They're wrapped in tin foil, and they look like eyeballs. Anyway, they're dark chocolate, and they're stuffed with coconut, or filled rather with coconut, and it's very sweet coconut, so I think this might actually be sweeter than, I don't know, I want to say almond joy, but it's very concentrated, I guess you say. So, look, together they make an egg. So lovely. So that's the first coconut. So put it into the bowl. Next, I have these other little eggs here. There's a couple of them in the ducky. And I think they just make a great noise, like if you can listen. Just like that. I like how they kind of tap against each other. And oh look, this one's green. It's different than the rest. So, these are also dark chocolate, I think, maybe. Maybe like these ones might be milk chocolate, but I used to hate dark chocolate, and I would only drink milk. I would only eat milk chocolate, but now I don't really like milk chocolate. It's too milky, I guess, for me. So I like the dark, like, chocolatey taste. So I think, but when you're a kid, you're raised on the milk chocolate. Next, also dark chocolate. These are dark chocolate with sea salt. And I actually don't really like these as much as Bunny just talking about it. They're milk chocolate ones, and I don't know why, but I think maybe it's just because these are normal caramel, and these are sea salt caramel. And I normally love sea salt caramel, but there's something off with it, the way this tastes. So I really like caramel, so I like this one better. So I have a couple of those, and they're all gonna go in my jar. And then, last but not least, some more eggs, I'm cutting the duck! False alarm, I was already hollow. Jelly beans. And the Easter Bunny knows that I hate jelly beans, but I still get them every year. I don't know, maybe because the Easter Bunny knows that I'm 22 and should stop getting Easter baskets. I don't think you should ever stop getting Easter baskets. I'm gonna make myself an Easter basket like every Easter until I'm like, 100 and something. Yes, I plan to live that long. So, I plan to live that long because I'll be eating candy every Easter. So healthy. Did you ever notice, I don't know, I was just thinking maybe I would like them if I tried them again. I haven't tried them in a really long time, and then I thought, I have a lot of yellows in my hand. And have you noticed, nobody likes the yellows. Hardly anyone of the candies, because they're always they don't taste as good. I love lemon, but lemon flavored candy is just disgusting. I love lemon bars. I have the best recipe for lemon bars from my grandma, and it's just it's amazing, and lemon candy just doesn't compare. So now that I've touched all the jelly beans with my finger, don't worry, they're clean. Clean fingers. I guess not that you would be worried because they're not your jelly beans. Ah! Gotta get all the beans out of this duck. Sorry guys, I'm kind of weird, but I'm not violent. I love duckies. I love duckies. Okay, so that's the ducky basket, and I also have a colander for crabs. And this stuff is let me shove it back in the duck. This stuff is so messy. It just gets everywhere. Once it's somewhere, it's really there. You can't really get rid of it. Okay. Get in there, Ducky. But I mean, it's cute. Like, it does look cute in whatever container it's in. It looks cute in the Ducky. Rubber Ducky, you're so sweet. I don't know. I can't do Ernie's voice. I'm sorry, I apologize for that. But in this one, we have an actual chocolate bunny. And this bunny is milk chocolate, but it's filled with peanut butter. So it's sort of like a Reese's Pieces, which I don't really like. Peanut butter mixed with my other sweets, but I had like 3 of these yesterday, and they were very good, so I do like that. Also, I have more Dove caramel chocolate. Actually, I have a couple of these, which I probably eat whenever I'm having a stressful day. I should not stress eat, but I do. Like, I know it's a bad habit, but like if I'm super stressed, I just want to eat all day. Like today, all I wanted to do was eat, and I like even when I was full, I was just like, oh, I'm so hungry, but I'm not really hungry. I'm just, it's a bad habit. I need to stop it. And this, my friends, is a divine bunny. And this is an Easter bunny made from pure 100% dark chocolate. I don't know if you can see coming from this side better. See the bunny. Oh, it's so beautiful. Although I don't like the shape this bunny's in because he looks like he's sad, which makes me feel bad if I want to eat him, which is why he has not been eaten. He's still, so I guess it worked if he was alive. Nice tactic. He wouldn't be eaten. That's a cute little bunny. He's very dear. Okay, next I have an egg. A pink egg. What is in the mystery egg? I think it shall be Sour Patch, the little watermelons. I can't see any green on that side. Beautiful. Lovely. Oh, there's a green one in here too. It could be like, sorry, I guess that wasn't very relaxing. I might cut that out of the video. I apologize. I got ahead of myself. My bad. So, here are these 2 lovely eggs. Quite fun. And then I have more chocolates. You guys swear this thing is full? Like chock full. Chock full of chocolate. More eggies. Coconut eggs. These things are really good. Very sweet though. More grass. Sorry, that's really loud. More grass. Putting it in the dark. And even more grass. Oh, it's all starting to make noise now. I think, hopefully, I know not everyone celebrates Easter, but I think there should always be some celebration of spring. Like, I'm not Christian. I was raised Christian, but I'm more agnostic, really. I think that the body in nature shows that we are, well, I guess not we, but it shows that there could be, it could be used as evidence to show that there is some sort of creator, but whether he is, Jesus or all-loving creator, so to be determined, at least by me, I don't know. I grew up thinking, believing in Jesus, but these things are really good. This is dark chocolate with little sprinkles on the top. And they're really crunchy and delicious. So they're going in there. Anyway, but this is what I do. I eat them and then I throw the wrappers back in the container. And then I get mad at myself because I think there's a candy, but there's not. But anyway, back to religion. So I think, I don't know, that's just kind of what I think. But I believe in being good to people, and everyone has, basic rights, and everyone should be treated equally and respectfully. But what I was really getting at was that whether you're Christian or not, or, whatever your religion, I think that there's something we all can celebrate about the spring and the seasons changing and things becoming warmer, and so, but all this beans left. Sorry, I hope that's not too loud. Can't see me this long. I gotta dump out some of them. Okay. Just a couple left. Awesome. So, that's my little Easter movie. I apologize if the sound isn't very good or the quality. I don't have a very good camera, so I do my best. But I really enjoy watching these videos, so hopefully I'm a little bit good at making them, so that you will enjoy the ones I make. Because I try to, I like the idea. Look at how full that is. Oh my gosh. But I like the thought of helping somebody get to sleep or being relaxed. So, and the bunny thanks you for your time and coming to see us, as well as the ducky. We are so happy. So happy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.